Healthy Strides Fitness Race at Burke Lake. It's coming up on April 27th, and what I do is I'm preparing the participants in the class to eventually do a race, whether it's a 5K race, a trail race, a run-walk type of race, but some kind of an endurance type race about 5K. There's two classes. My 9 o'clock class is a 5K class, and they're more of a beginner intermediate level. I have a real mixture of participants. The next class at 10 o'clock is a 10K class, and they are my half marathoners. They're year-round classes. We run snow, rain, sun, humidity, we run. We try to run outside when we can. If we can't, then we'll go inside and we'll do circuit training. But they're 11-week courses, and we meet for 55 minutes each class. We talk about the runs at the beginning of the class, and they work up to their goal of doing a 5K race. Levels of participation are very mixed. I have people that run, I have people that don't do anything at all, and this is their first time out. So I have a lot of different levels, and so I train to each level. We do core work, we do endurance training, we do interval training, so they really get a good, well-rounded workout and prepare for these races. And once they hit that finish line, I can't tell you how good they feel, and they email each other. It's really a great event.